Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make a list of all the keys pressed on a keyboard in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search just search for the application name as Macro Recorder, and the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see here download. Just click on download. Now you can download it either for Windows or Mac computer. So here I'm using a Windows, so I'll download for Windows. So just accept this and just click on download. Wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run the software installer. So now just click on next to proceed with installation. Wait for a few seconds. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish and wait for a few seconds. So now you can see this kind of user interface, right? So above you can see play, record, stop, right? And you can see here a mouse. So you can see here smart click, click, move, wheel. So it will track or record everything once you click on record. And you can see here keyboard, and when it can record a keyboard also. You can get a wait time, wait pixels, detect, you can detect images or find text, whatever, and miscellaneous. There are tons of options. Under the playback options you will see here you can select. By default it is being selected mouse moves, mouse clicks, key press. You can just disable the mouse if you don't need the mouse, and once your all selection is done you can just click on record. And now you can see here it's been tracking the mouse, right? So let us minimize it and let us keep pressing some keyboard keys. So I press a Win key, right? So let us try other keys. Let me press Ctrl Shift Escape to open the text manager. Now let me press Win plus H. Let me press Win plus E to open the file explorer. So I have used a tons of keys, right? So let me press Alt and F4 to close this window. So now once you are done with your recording, just click on the macro icons and just you can see here all the mouse or the keyboard clicks are being recorded. So you can see here firstly it has started recording my mouse since I have moved my mouse, and after that you can see here key press. So you can see all the keyboard keys. So you can see Win key, I press it here, how much time it took. You can see to open or launch. You can see all the details here. So you can see I press Ctrl Shift Escape, I press Ctrl Shift, and below you can see here I have used a mouse also right now. So below you can track, you can see here key down Win, key up Win. So you can see here everything. So it's recording everything. You can see I have pressed Win plus E and I have opened the explorer.exe. so you can see here it's being showing the window also, which window or program it's being opened. So if you want to export this data, then you can just click on this file and you can just click on Save As, and you can give any name whichever you like. Let me select a desktop destination. You can just rename it whatever you like. I'll just keep it as it is and click on Save. Now you can open it with your macro recorder whenever you want to see all the datas that you have used. So using this software named as Macro Recorder, you can make a list of all the keys pressed on a keyboard in Windows and Mac computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.